Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will make a tutorial. The tutorial is how to use work tool. Okay. First, you make it make it make it strike make it strike like this. Okay, and then you go to the object, go to the wait go to effect, distort and transform, then choose the transform. Okay, this is maybe 30. No. And then copy, make it this right is 35. Okay, maybe this is okay, and then you go to the object, envelope distort, make it with mesh. No, it's sorry. Object envelope distort and make it with warp. The style you choose the wave. Oh, forgot. Stroke is 2, and then go to the envelope distort, make it warp. What? Envelope, make it warp. Okay. Y left. Okay, and then oh, I know. Okay, and then you make it text like make it okay, then go to object, envelope, make it work. No, what it first, like go to the effect, insert and transform. mm, okay, and then go to the what go to the object, envelope dissolve, make it work, and then no, make it okay. mm, okay, you and then you can go to object, expand, okay, and then you you can give the background is black, and then go to the and then arrange, send to back like this. Okay, maybe um, maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wait. If you if you wanna if you want to delete if you want to if you is delete and then you want to refresh, and you can in MacBook you you press the comment z, z, z. I cannot like this. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.